The Midland Sanitary and Storm Sewer Study has been flowing along smoothly. For the past 3 months, city staff have been working with experts at Hubble, Roth, and Clark to analyze the large amount of data collected during and following the June 2017 flood. After compiling the data, they mapped out our entire storm and sanitary sewer systems and put them through a series of modeled storm events to study the hydrology of our systems. The good news? Our systems showed problem areas throughout the model experiments that were consistent with what we saw during the 2017 event, meaning that we can be confident that the modeling is working correctly to identify our areas of concern. City staff and HRC are currently finalizing some models, and we expect to share final results and possible courses of action sometime in April. For more information on the Sanitary and Storm Sewer Study, visit www.cityofmidlandmi.gov.